Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can play the Tekken 3 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now, since the Tekken 3 game is a PlayStation 1 game, you will either need to install the RetroArch emulator on your device and then download the ROM for the PlayStation 1 game. Alternatively, an online version is also available. Open up your web browser and simply search for Tekken 3 Play Online. You will now see various different search results from which you can play the game online. Try the various links that you find, and from one of these websites, you can enjoy the game quite easily. Now the game will take some time to load for the first time, but after this, it will start immediately. Now if you have decided to use RetroArch, then you will need to go to retroarch.com, and from the homepage you can click on the Get button to choose your RetroArch version that you wish to download. After it is downloaded, you can simply open it up. And now from the main menu, you will first need to load the core for PlayStation 1. Click on the Load Core option and then click on Download a Core. From this list, go ahead and choose Sony PlayStation 1. And once the core is downloaded, it will be displayed in your Load Core screen. You can now simply choose the PlayStation Core. And once the PlayStation Core has been loaded, all that's left to do is to download the game. Now if you simply do a quick search on any search engine for Tekken 3 ROM, then you will find a list of various different ROMs. Just download the ROM from your trusted site, and once it is downloaded, just right-click on the RetroArch application and then choose Open File Location. Now from the file location, look for the Downloads folder, and now you can extract the game file for Tekken 3 within your Downloads folder. And once the extraction is completed, you can go back into RetroArch and now choose Load Content. Make sure that your core has been selected to PlayStation 1, and now you can simply go into the Downloads folder and you will find your Tekken 3 file. Make sure to choose the Q or the ISO file, and this will now load the Tekken 3 ROM on your device right away. And you can now start to enjoy this classic game on your PC right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Tekken 3 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.